Here's how to import your stories to Wakelet. After logging into Wakelet, visit wakelet.com/Storify and copy the text here. After doing this, head to your Storify profile and go to the settings page. Click Profile and paste the copied text into your bio. With this, we can verify that you own the stories that you wish to import. Please wait for around 1 minute while Storify updates its information. Head back to Wakelet and paste your Storify username in the box below. You can copy this from your Storify profile's URL. Now, click to select the stories that you wish to import. And click Begin Import. Once imported, you'll be sent to your new Wakelet homepage, where you can view and edit your newly imported collections. Please note that after importing, your collections will be public, but you can change this at any time. You can now click here to view your Wakelet profile. Thank you for choosing Wakelet. Please get in touch if you have any questions.